All right, what's up guys? In today's video, I will show you 5 altcoins that I think looks very good for potential long entry if Bitcoin gives us a bullish break in market structure in the next few days. All right, if you're new to the channel, you know what to do. Click that like button, hit that subscribe button, and the bell notification button so that you know when we upload a new video. I will today show you 5 altcoins that I think looks very good. It's ENG, SAND, FTT, MANA, and EGLD. So what I've done is I went through about 200 altcoin pairs on FTX and Binance, and the way I scan my well, actually, I've recorded and uploaded a market scan video, so you can check that video out and know exactly how I scan market. But basically, what it's based on is the daily 20 and 50 EMA. And I've looked for coins that are it doesn't necessarily have to be above the 20 or 50 EMA, but it's, in general, coins that have a fundamental, I have a fundamental reason to be bullish on, or coins that have a fairly strong market structure in relationship to other altcoins. Now, of course, a lot of altcoins, most altcoins in this market, if not all altcoins, will be in a bearish market structure because, well, basically, whole crypto market has seen a pretty heavy retrace right now. First, we want to talk about Bitcoin, right? So what we're seeing on Bitcoin is just a pretty clear downtrend. I'm not going to go into the details on Bitcoin today, but really what I want to see for these altcoin setups to activate the altcoin setups that I'm going to show you today is, first of all, a reclaim of the 20 EMA on the daily for Bitcoin. Preferably, I would like to see a reclaim of the 52 to the 51 to 52 region, which is right here. So the area around 50, uh, not 52, 41 to 42. God damn it. 41 to 42. So reclaim of that area would really be very nice. And if that happens, I'm looking to, activate that long only mode on all coins. And these are the ones I'm watching. First, we're going to look at ENG. So on ENG, I like the fact that we are in a pretty nice overall bullish market structure in the 4-hour, and you will see that it kind of mimics Bitcoin right here with that 4-hour bullish market structure, right? And this is how most altcoins will look right now. What I like here about ENG is it's very close to reclaiming the daily 20 EMA on the daily. So we have a couple of levels of interest here. First, we have an obvious resistance area right up here at around the 2.15. That will be our first TP if we decide to go long here. Now, the thing is, going long on a break and retest of this level right here would be the highest probability trade. But the way you could play this, and the way I would probably play this, is you wait for a break and retest of this level right here, which is the let's say 1.91 area. If you have a nice bounce on that area with with the 4 hours setup aligning with that 4-hour stochastic bull cross on the retest of that level, and perhaps even the 20 EMA would be the 20 EMA and the 4-hour would be confluent with that area on entry, you could enter this risk with this trade with about half risk of what you usually use, so half an R risk, or maybe even a quarter R risk. And then if you hit this level with a clear rejection, you could exit, but you should probably just take partial profit in that area in case you see something like this, right? And on the reclaim of this level right here, that would probably be a reclaim of the daily 50 EMA. When you get that, you could add to these positions. You could add what you took profits here, right? And you could really average into a trade and kind of add to your winners the more strength you see. Now, this will really only happen if Bitcoin reclaims the 41 to 42k area, and preferably even the daily 20 EMA. So we're talking about setups here that might play out in the next couple of days or even the next couple of weeks. So have these on your radar, but it's not even close to being something you could be entering now, right? So that's the first one, ENG, right? And then we have sand, and sand I really like because it's peeking its head above the daily 20 EMA right here. And if you look at the next resistance area above, it's actually right around the daily 50 EMA. So I really like sand right here. I really, really do like sand here. It's looking stronger than ENG actually. And what I will be looking at right here would just be a break above the daily 50 EMA, look to go long on a retest of the daily 50 EMA. I would then target the 5.2 as TP1, and for TP2 I would look at the $6 area. Now this is a pretty massive move, right? Now this is a 35% move, and the risk to reward on this trade could be really, really good because you want to have your stop somewhere below this level right here, which is 4.06. And so the risk to reward on this one would be pretty solid as a swing trade. And I'm pretty sure, this would probably play out if Bitcoin reclaims the daily 50, right? So it's a pretty interesting trade right here. So definitely keeping this one on my radar and adding an alert above the daily 50. Next one is FTT, which saw some insane price action today. I don't know what's going on right here, but it's actually trading above the daily and above the daily 20 and 50 EMA right now. Now, this one isn't really clear. The reason why I wanted to talk about this one is because it's just overall quite strong. So what I would like to see here is you can see how it's coming down to test this level right here, the 41.77 area, which is also complement with the 4-hour 20 EMA and the daily 50 EMA. Now, this could actually be lining up for a pretty decent short-term opportunity right here, right? So I'm just adding a trend line here, just a general guide. I'm not really going to be trading that trend line much, but I really do like that confluence area right here at 41.77. If you add the fibs from that low to this high, that's the wrong tool. So we added from that low to this high, the breakout move. I'm kind of ignoring the next candle because something happened right there. I'm not sure, but it's just not really. I don't think it's I don't view it as part of this move, right? But what I'm watching here is a potential trade where you want to go long on the retest of the $42 area. Stop loss should be below 40 somewhere, and then TP on this one. If you want to do a quick in and out trade, this could be a quick 2R trade up to the highs at around right below $48. So this is pretty interesting trade I'm watching on FTT. Now we want to see a retest of this level. I'm adding an alert right here. You want to see the stochastics on the 4-hour go down below 30. You want to see the stochastics below 30 and kind of bottoming out. You want to see the 4-hour or 1-hour bullish engulfing on the daily 50 EMA. Like, it's just a lot of confidence right here. So basically what you're looking at is something like this, right? Just on this area with the stochastics going like this. You would then trade this up to the minus 618. Now let's look at Mana. Mana has recently hit a resistance area complement with the daily 50 EMA. If we could reclaim the daily 50 EMA, this is one of the few altcoins right now that are trading above the daily 50 EMA if it reclaims it. And it kind of looks like it wants to reclaim that level, right? So you want to see a break above, these highs, right? And you would then want to go long on a retest of this level, right? So let's say you get a breakout to that resistance, you go long on a rounded retest of that area, and that area is the 2.8 area. And this would be the trade I'm looking at. So long here, stops somewhere below 2.6, and TP for this trade would be right below 4. So let's say 3.8 looks like a pretty solid trade. So, I mean, that's a 5.2 R trade. Now, if everything aligns and Bitcoin actually puts in a bullish market structure, I could definitely see this one playing out. But what you're seeing right now is potential long setups. And honestly, it doesn't look like these are going to play out right now, but you never know what the markets will do. So you might as well just get a breakout right here. But there's nothing is confirmed yet, so it's not setups that you should be following, but definitely check them out, make a watch list with these 5 coins, and put some alerts on, and look for trade setups on this one. I will be sharing all of this in the Bubnest community. You probably already know about that. If you're not a member already, go to the description below. You can join for 7 days free. The next one and the last one is EGLD, which is also looking pretty good right here. What I want to be seeing on EGLD, I think it's this one that had, no, it's not. So let's look at the 4 hour right here. We have a level right here, right? Something like that. You can kind of see how it's trying to break out here, and then you have, of course, the daily 20 EMA. So what I would like to see here on EGLD is actually for price to come back down here. Price to come back down here, and the daily 20 to stop moving down here, and then break out. And I would then want the daily 20 EMA in this area. I would then go long on the break and retest off that level. I would then target this level and then the daily 50 EMA, which would probably be confluent with this level. So the setup would look something like this. Stops below that one right there, wide stops on this one, but this is a swing trade. You should have wide stops on your swing trades. TP would be around these highs right here, or the daily 50 EMA. So this would be a around 2.4, 2.5 R trade, and I'm really liking this setup right here. We're looking for something like this, where we dip down below this level again, and then break out and go long on the break and retest. If it's confluent with the daily 20 EMA, that's what I'm looking at. All right, guys, let me know in the comments below if you want more videos like this one, where I show you potential setups on altcoins that I'm watching. I do this on a daily basis. I go through the altcoin market and scan it about 2 times every week, and then I have my watch list and I watch them every day. So I have a pretty good idea of what altcoin setups I want to be watching on a daily basis. So if you want more videos like this one, just hit that like button and write in the comments below. All right, guys, take care and see you guys next time.